Hi, it's me again. We are in the series Dorm Cooking, and this is dedicated to Shefali. And bonjour Shefali. C'est encore dans la série des campus, Cuisine sur le campus. C'est dédié à Shefali, une amie à moi. Et puis, on va faire une chose simple. Ça s'appelle une sandwich de tomate. So it's called a tomato sandwich. And here's the tomato. You remember the knives from the previous video? If you haven't seen the part 1 of dorm cooking, it's about knives. I have paring knives, so I'm going to clean this tomato. Remove the heart of the tomato, like that. Boop, a clean cut. And I'm going to slice the tomato very thin slices. Alors, je tranche la tomate très mince. Très mince. Presque comme des feuilles d'oignon. It's so thin, it's like an onion sheet. Onion paper. Et voilà. So I have enough tomato. I'm going to push this here. I'm going to wipe the water. It's called for 2 slices of bread. Any bread will do it. Your favorite bread. This is a whole wheat bread. And I'm having, oh, did I say it's a vegan? If not, it's vegetarian. This is a veganese. Follow your heart. Original veganese. Vegan. So it's a vegan mayo. And I'm going to apply a generous portion of veggie mayo on both sides of the sandwich. Amina, bonjour. Alors, tu voulais de la mayo sur ta sandwich aux tomates? La voici, la voilà. Amina is a friend from France, and she was asking to use mayo on tomato sandwich on a previous video, and here we are. Voila. Tomato. You overlap. I overlap the slice of tomato because they are extremely thin. It's very easy to do. A little bit more, like that. And the next step, seasoning, pepper, salt, voila. Excellent. And a little bit of lettuce in the style of the 70s. For those who haven't seen the video about tomato sandwich, in the 70s when I became vegetarian, that was a staple. I was eating tomato sandwich like 2 or 3 times a week. Thanks God I have a better diet today, but I still like very much tomato sandwich. So this is a simple version, extremely joyful, done with precision and skill using a very well done knife. Alors voici, c'est la sandwich de tomate, c'est simple, c'est préparé avec goût. C'est préparé avec un couteau qui coupe. C'est délicieux quand vous êtes un peu pressé par le temps et que vous êtes chez vous. Une petite sandwich de tomate en arrivant des classes avant de faire ses études, avant d'aller en cours. Alors voilà, bon appétit. Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Tell your friend. Have a very nice sandwich like that. Bye-bye.